What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Crazy Crypto Cliff, aka Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with the kid. All right, look, guys, as promised, here are a couple of stocks that I want you guys to watch for next week. All right, and we can potentially see some movement. All right, guys. So first up on the list, guys, I'm looking at a company like Microsoft. Okay, so when you look month over month, it's actually down 5%. Okay, so it's actually it came down from all the way. It was up to like $529, and now it's all the way down to $495. Okay, so it's been getting beat down for the past month. Okay, so when I see a company like that, like Microsoft, which I know is a really good company. Okay, when you look at all the numbers and everything, they're a very profitable company. I look at that as an opportunity, guys. Now, as a side note, they did announce on Saturday that Microsoft Azure users may experience increased latency due to multiple undersea fiber cuts in the Red Sea. Okay, they're not sure who made those cuts or what exactly caused those fiber cables to be cut. Okay, but it caused some disruptions with their Azure users. But they did come out later and say that traffic was rerouted through alternative network paths and network traffic is not interrupted. Okay, so everything seems to be back under control. Okay, so I don't expect a huge overreaction or anything like that next week. And also they settled their antitrust lawsuit with the EU. Okay, so I see that as a positive thing. All right, so we're gonna keep our eyes on those developments. Now, we're gonna be looking at this one to see if it's going to bounce back. All right, like I said, currently it's $495. All right. Now next week we are going to be looking to see if it's going to drop below the $495. Okay. Now we see it dropping down like $490, and then it drops below $490, and it stays down there. Then we're going to be looking to ride it all the way down with a put option to around $477. Okay, but if it can hold its water next week, guys, and it stays above the $495, then guys, we'll be looking to ride it back up to the upside. Okay, we'll be looking to see it retrace back to 511 and then back to 529. All right, so a good strategy, guys, back to the upside. If we see next week it go back to 500, then I would look to take a couple of different options contract. One strategy would be a strike price of 511 if it goes back to 500, right? So a strike price of 511 with a 3-month expiration date. Okay, so 3 months from now, expiration, strike price of 511, guys, that you can knock it out of the park with that. Also, I would do a 6-month contract at 529 as a strike price. Okay, and we can knock it out of the park with those two options. All right, so keep your eyes on Microsoft. Now, this next stock on the list, guys, is Walmart stock. All right, this is one of our favorite stocks, one of our long-term stocks that we invest into every single week, that we're dollar cost averaging. Okay, but we like Walmart stock as a potential stock to rebound. Okay, they've been getting beat down for the past month as well. They're down about 3% on the month. Okay, so they're looking like they could possibly rebound. All right, it's currently sitting at around $100 and it's been kind of consolidating around that mark. All right, so guys, I can see Walmart potentially going to around 114 to 115. Okay, now they could get some relief with the tariffs, which is one of the things that has been beating the stock down a little bit, is the tariffs. Okay, but the tariffs have been overturned by the Circuit Court of Appeals, and now it is in the hands of the Supreme Court, and we shouldn't expect a ruling on that until the earliest in November. Okay, so we're going to keep our eyes on that, but in the meantime we could still see Walmart rebound. All right, but if it drops below 100 next week, guys, and drops down to, we start seeing it get into like 95 and below 95, then we can look to take another option the other way. All right, now if you want to earn some free stocks, guys, and earn up to 8.1% on your uninvested cash, you can download the Moo investment app, guys. The link will be down in the description. Okay, if you want to learn how to trade stock options, guys, then go over to crazycryptocliff.com, become a member. You can get access to the training videos. But that is all I have for you guys in this particular video, gang. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.